Welcome to Gage Car Reviews, and today I'm reviewing this 2002 Ford Explorer SportTrac truck. Here's the side and the back. Ford Explorer SportTrac, and the side again. This is actually now restored. Also, the steering wheels has been repaired, so let's take a look inside. Here is the Ford steering wheel. Here is the radio, CD player, Pioneer sound system, the mute for the phone, radio controls, air conditioning, the PNRD transmission. Here is the speedometer, fuel and temperature, oil and battery, the front seat and the back seat. Here's the steering wheel that was installed. Comparing from the old one, comparison. This is the old one and this is the new one. It's kind of clicking, has some clicking issues. So the results that I have is that I am rating this SportTrac 5 stars. So that's it so I guess that's it for this video. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to subscribe.